5 minutes exactly. Tuloy taking 3. Wala, rebound by Isla. Dais. Dais pa rin. Intercepted by Earth. Turnover again. Bola na. Team D. Tuime, Big Daddy. Taking his move. Pass to Adrian. Taking 3 again.
Never ask again.
Adrian, nice. 12-4. In favor of Team D. Edge. Taking his move. Edge. Wala. Team out by Jen again. To Edge. Wala. Team out by Ime. To Mark. To Jenson. To Mark. Wala mo. Pero to Rod. Back to Dais, taking 3 again. Adrian, Dais. 3 points again. 15-4. One shot by Adrian Dais. Back to back 3. Yen, making this move. Eko. Wala. Rebound by Ibe. Oras. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Ay, 3 minutes and 23 seconds pala. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Na-shoot? Hindi. To Eko. To Nunoy. Wasilag. To Eko, Wasilag again. Taking 2 points by Wasilag. 15-6. Wala. Rebound by Earth. To Eko. Wala rebound by Rod. Tumal, touch pass to Dais. Touch pass to Ime. Una ko roll pass. Third cover. Bola na. 50. Oras. 2 minutes and 33. Score 15-6 in favor of Team D. Bien, 2 minutes and 20 to Shockley. Jump to Edge. 2 minutes and 13. Edge. Turnover, bola ng Team D. 2 minutes and 3 to Mark. To Rod. To Ime, taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Jenson taking his move. Wow. Last 1 minute and 47 seconds. Score 15-6. Favor of Team D. To Mark. To Jenson. Pass to Mark. Wala. Rebound by Mark again. 1 minute and 22. Nice pass to Dais. Wala. Rebound by Jericho. To Jackley. Wala. Rebound by Biel. 2 points by Biel. 15-8. Oras. 1 minute and 15. Intercepted by Jackley. To Biel. Lumipad. 2 points by Biel.
Nice game.
15-10. 5 na lang po. Tuime, making his move. Wala, rebound by Edge. To Jackley, 2 points. Oras, 50 seconds. 3 na lang po. Ang lamang. 47 seconds. 15-12. Wala, rebound by Edge. To Biel. Nagmamadali. Biel. 2 points by Biel. Isa na lang po. 35 seconds. Last 20 seconds. 15-14. Mark taking 3. Wala. Rebound by Eko. Last 20 seconds. 17 seconds. 13 seconds. 10 seconds. 2 points. 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2. stop